Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Quick Guide. Today in this brand new video, we want to show you how you can log into your UPS employee account. So without any further ado, let's get straight into the tutorial. First of all, make sure you have a secure internet connection in your PC and let's head towards your default web browser. For now, I'm using Google Chrome, you can use it too. In the above search bar, you can just type in UPS employee login. After that, you can find various of URLs in the search results, but for now we want to click the first link which will lead towards our this type of interface. In the left hand side, you can just find out your login button which is in highlighted yellow color. Let's click here and you will head toward your login web page. Enter your credential. You can just type in your employee number and @ups.com and click the next. You will be asked about your password and remember the password and type in so you can sign into your UPS employee account. That's it for today guys. Thank you so much for watching. We will bring more of this type of content in upcoming days, so make sure to hit the like button. Also, do not forget to subscribe our channel and set the bell icon to all. Feedbacks and queries are truly appreciated in the comment section. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Have a nice day. Thank you.